Namaskaram friends, I am your SSRK. Today's our topic is 3D lettering. It is very simple concept. You can also create 3D letters using these techniques whatever we are going to learn today. And I am showing only one alphabet, that is A, with different techniques. I suggest you practice well these techniques and you implement the same concept with other alphabets also. But today I am going to show you only letter A with different techniques. I think you can see the A here, which I have already drawn with the pencil, and looking at that alphabet A, it is so simple that you can also do it. Okay, now I am going with the sketching. I told you first pencil work, second sketching, third coloring, okay, fourth shadows, fifth shades. Now I am at second stage. The first stage is over, that is pencil work is over. Okay, now I am applying my sketch. You can also use a scale which gives you more perfect shape. I'm not using any scale, something like that. Okay, still it is okay. Now once it is over, you erase the pencil marks. Once the sketching is over, erase the pencil marks. Now apply some color, whatever you like. I always like blue. Apply the color like this, not much thick, not much thin, light, not too dark, okay, too light. It should be moderate. Okay, now here also, if you give the shadings, that is really a great job. If you give the shadings means, if I imagine the light is here, okay, here the shadow will be. Of course, if you don't give the shades also, you don't worry, the 3D effect will come. Okay, now I'm giving the shadow. I imagine the light is at my left hand side. Okay, the light is at my left hand side, so that I am giving the shadow to the right side of the alphabet A. Here also you can expect, okay, some shadow. I hope you are getting my point. Now I told you blur the shadow, that's all. But you cannot get the 3D effect from the top view, I already told you. Okay, I think the shadow effect is not enough. Yes, now I think it is a bit good. Yes, it is looking good now. Yeah, I already told you, from the top view you cannot get the 3D effect, only from the what we call 45 to 60 degrees angle. The camera angle should be 45 to 60 degrees. I'm moving my camera. Now look at the diagram. Okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, in many of the what we call YouTube videos, they play such kind of things. Yes, you can also do it, and you can also play something like this. Okay, if I sign here, it will be more effective. Because our eye always compare this signature this pencil and this what we call alphabet A, and it gives the instruction to the viewer's brain like it is standing on the paper. You see guys, it is just looking, it is standing on the paper. How simple it is. This is the first technique showing 3D letters, that is shadow effect. Okay, once the shadow effect is over, okay, now I am going to the levitating technique. The first effect is shadow effect, second one is levitating technique. It is very simple, my dear students. You see, I am erasing the shadow here, and of course you can also make another A, alphabet A, but that is not that much required here, because this A is enough to show you, to give you the demo. This A is enough. If you want, you can make a few more alphabets. You know the shadow effect, I mean the levitating effect, it is something like this guys. The shadow should not touch our object, the drawing, whatever we have made. So apply some shadow away from the our artwork. Okay, rub it, make it blur, and come back to 45 degrees. Yes, I forgot signature. Now my sign should be here, because this is the surface now. This is the surface and this is levitating on the paper. You see how it looks. Okay guys, I hope you are enjoying this. I believe. Yes, you can also write other alphabets using this technique. This is second technique. Second technique is levitating technique. First technique is shadow, second one is levitating, and third one is paper folding technique. Using paper folding also you can create 3D letters. I have already made this A. Simple, my dear friends. I have already made some pencil works, that's it, not more than that. Okay, but here when you are going with the paper folding, you make sure that this bottom structure should be a bit more than the upper structure. Okay, simply saying, it should be should look like a longer one, should look like a larger one. Okay, because we are folding this paper, right? We are folding this paper something like this. Okay, we need to fold this paper something like this. So make sure that the portion whatever you are covering on the horizontal plane should be a little bit more, should be more. Okay, that's all. Just 1 centimeter more, that's it, half centimeter or 1 centimeter, that's all. Okay, now you the what we call, this is over, pencil is over, and now sketching. If you know the calligraphy, you can create the wonders. I don't know the calligraphy. These are just normal letters, anybody can do it, even children also can do it. So for the normal letters I am giving the 3D effect. If you know the calligraphy, that is another art, then you can implement this 3D to the calligraphy, then that will be excellent, and it is also excellent now. Now coloring. So before coloring, erase the pencil marks. Wherever you find the pencil marks, you just erase it. That's it. Now just apply the color. So we have completed 2 techniques. The first one is shadow effect technique. Using shadow, the A, letter A is looking like it is standing on the paper, and next one is levitating technique. using the shadow, the same shadow, but this time the shadow is not connected with our object, with our image, with our diagram, a little bit far away from our diagram. Our shadow should be a little bit far away from the diagram. In this case, you can see the letter A is looking like it is levitating on the paper. The first one is standing on the paper, second one is levitating on the paper. Now the same two techniques in the paper folding concept also can be implemented. Okay, it is over, so it is disturbing us. Okay, now fold the paper in such a way that uh, the uh, the portion which is covering on HP in this plane should be little bit more than the portion covering on the vertical plane. That's it. Okay, folding the paper, putting here. Otherwise, yes, here it is good, I think. Okay, see how beautiful it is. Okay, but still I missed some points, that is signature, pencils and shadow. I just wanted to show you without shadow also you can get the 3D effect of the alphabet A. Now I am applying the shadow effect. There are three types of paper folding concepts, I mean the shadow effects. The first shadow effect is something like this, which we have already seen. Okay guys, SSRK. Okay, this is the first possibility. Okay, you see, my dear friends, and make sure that the lines which are coming from the vertical plane to horizontal plane should look like a straight line. That is the perfect what we call the position of the camera. You see, okay, the A is looking like it is standing on the paper. Okay, second, shadow effect. This is third technique, paper folding and shadow effect. And the fourth technique, again paper folding, again shadow effect, but not here. Okay, before discussing that shadow effect, let us finish the levitating technique here. So you know how we can give the levitating technique. Just giving some shadow which is a little bit away from our object. Okay, and my signature should be here. Paper folding is over. Do you feel it is levitating on the paper? If you don't feel it is levitating on the paper, you don't worry, you apply some more pencil work. That's it. You don't need to worry. If you don't come, if you don't get the 3D effect, no problem, literally no problem. You just apply some more shadow effect. Now you look at the diagram. The A is just looking like it is levitating on the paper. Okay, this is fourth concept. And my fifth concept is erase this. I'm just showing the techniques using only one or two alphabets. I mean only one alphabet A. I have drawn only one A and showing three effects. I have drawn one A previously and shown you two effects. Okay, if you, when you are practicing, you make with individual letters. Okay, as it is a demo, I am making something like this, but you try to draw every time you try to draw the what we call alphabets. Now I believe, I imagine the what we call this light is from right side, so I get the shadow something like this. here also you get a little shadow. So my signature, and again paper folding. See, still you can feel 3D effect. Okay guys, yes, thank you. Okay, so we have finished six types, not 5 types. The first one is this shadow with shadow, and next levitating, and the third one is paper folding, shadow. I have given shadow here. Third one. Fourth one is levitating for this paper folding. Fifth one is giving shadow on the horizontal plane and vertical plane. And sixth one, without giving shadow also, paper folding. In paper folding you get the 3D effect of the alphabets. These are the 6 types. Okay.